Hi, my name is Paul Benny, and thank you very much for your time and attention here today to talk about or review one of our latest products called ProfitAbility. ProfitAbility is part of ProfitSword's suite of applications. ProfitSword creates different applications, web-based applications that allow our customers or you to be able to access data from multiple sources and use that data to your benefit. What we do at ProfitSword is we create a model that looks very similar to this concept, where data points or data from different systems is gathered together in an automated fashion to create a database that normalizes that data or standardizes it so that you can use it. We call that the Profit Stage database. It's a true business intelligence type of database. What we do with that database, once we've created it and gathered the data together and helped you to organize that, is that we layer on top of that database different systems that allow you to use that data. As you can see, we've got several different applications. The one that we're going to talk about today is called ProfitAbility. It is the newest application that we've added to our suite of applications. The majority of our applications are web-based applications, but we also provide a way for you to obtain your data and use it in other environments if needed. ProfitAbility has been added to the platform in order to help our customers overcome some specific challenges that they had. Let me explain really quick what some of the key benefits are and what this product is and what it does. To do that, I'm going to quickly just go over what all of them do so that you can see how they interrelate to each other and they benefit you in the long run. ProfitAbility, again, is our newest product, but as you can see, we've got tools that help you accomplish many things, whether it be Profit Stage that helps you with budgeting and forecasting, or creating an automated income journal, or financial or labor or other kinds of reporting that you may need to use from the data that's been gathered. Profit Plan and Profit Pace help you see information from a future sales perspective. It also lets you see productivity. It also lets you create customized reports that allow you to add commentaries and strategies to your information. ProfitAbility is a tool that allows you to use all of this information that's been gathered and use that for visualizations and also use it for other purposes. So the idea of creating dashboards and visualizing your data, layering on top of that the ability to create formulas and analytics the way you want to see your data that's interrelated and intermixed with all of the reporting that comes along with our products is extremely powerful. Also, being able to do things like receiving notifications of the performance of your data based on the things that you want to be notified on. Also taking advantage of the idea of machine learning, having the machine understand and track your own data for you and then notify you about things that it finds. That's very powerful. Being able to consolidate your data and roll it up and spin it any which way you want in a visual way, and also being able to see all of that same information on a mobile app. That's what ProfitAbility allows us to do. And all of that can be added together into the same platform. So again, some of the key features of what ProfitAbility does for you, as you can see here, are really, really powerful for you and your end users. The idea here that as we've brought this together, the idea is to allow us to follow the same model that we've done with all of our other products. And that model is that what we offer is an unlimited user concept, which allows you and all of the users in your organization of the data that you've gathered together to take advantage of and use it. We're not limiting you to 1 or 2 users that can do dashboards or that can use them. And we're also not limiting you to how that is distributed. Since it's web-based, it can be accessed anywhere by anyone who you give access to the system. So we've run into a lot of challenges from our customers who have tried or attempted to go down the path of creating visuals with their data. And so let me just talk about what we've done to overcome some of those challenges. One of the challenges was having to manage a database. Well, at ProfitSword, we do a lot of that we help you with that, right? Organizing and managing the database. So that's what we bring to the table already. So not having to go out and create a database is very powerful because we help you with that to begin with. It is a single database platform. You don't have to go out and build another database. We already have the database, and we'll have the products that all filter off of that same database. So it again becomes very powerful because you're looking at data from one source. When we set this up, we've already set it up so that it's designed to work with the database that we already have. Because of that, when we turn the product on, it only takes a few days to get it set up and to be able to start training and helping you visualize your data versus going out, which is often the case, and building your own and creating your own integrations and your own data connections and relating the data the way it needs to so you can report on it. All of those things we've already overcome. So being able to deploy this particular product becomes very quick. Refreshing the data can be done very quickly because of the way it's designed. It doesn't take very long for you to be able to get the data once it's in there. You don't have to understand, everything about a tool and how to dashboard. We can help with that. And that's what we're here for. You don't have to be a data scientist to be able to use this product. It's embedded inside of our platform. So again, you can not only navigate to a financial report, but in the same exact login, you can navigate to a very powerful dashboard or set up a notification. So it's all in the same exact web-based platform. All users have access to it, as I mentioned. You can get those notifications in lots of different ways, whether it be via email or on a mobile device, just like a little pop-up notification every day. All of those things can be available to all users, as I mentioned, and that machine learning, again, something that's hard to come by unless you go out and buy a product that can do it. We've got it embedded inside of our platform. So it makes it very, very powerful for all of the end users to be able to use it. Now I want to show you what it looks like. Again, it's a product that allows you to visualize. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here's a quick example of it, both from a mobile device perspective and from a computer screen, right? What that might look like if you were to have a dashboard to show you some of the key metrics or key performance indicators for your particular property. Let me show you what it quickly looks like behind the scenes. When you log into our environment, you're going to log into an environment that gives you access to your portfolio, or maybe all of the different entities within your portfolio, which could be hotels, it could be senior living communities, it could be restaurants, it could be any kind of entity that we're gathering data from. In this case, we're looking at a portfolio of hotels. Inside of there, we're going to have a very large menu of different options. One of those options is going to be profitability, and that's where we've gone. Inside of profitability, my access gives me the ability to create dashboards. Not all users will have the need to do that, but they will have the ability to see what's in here. So some examples of dashboards that have already been created are things like this, which is set up as an owner concept type of dashboard, where we have for a single property, different key metrics that you can see to help you measure the performance of that property. Now, every dashboard has the ability to do different things based on the design of the dashboard. And again, we'll help you with that. We'll help you design it. We'll help you change it. We'll help you create what you need. You can create filters in there, simple filters like, hey, I want to look at a different property. So changing a property or adding a property to your dashboard, you can do both. Just refiltering it will change what you're looking at. Something like that. Also, we can do things like looking at a dashboard that shows you trends, something like this, right? Which is very basic and straightforward by revenue trends by segment. You can set that up for multiple properties, or you can uncheck them and only look at one or two properties. And again, the concept of setting up filters so that your users can use them is very powerful. Another example of a dashboard might be something like this. Again, looking at some trends, different trends. Mixing up data like looking at guest service scores from the performance, or looking at it based on market segmentation. It's kind of a combination here, right? These are all dashboards that can be created simply by looking at the data that we've collected, creating the visuals that you want, using all the different kinds of visuals that are available within this product. And then you can make that available through the menu that's out here to all of the users. In fact, as you can see in the menu, there's a whole section on corporate dashboards, in this case, where there's different dashboards that a user can click on. Or we can create dashboards that are specific to a different business unit. So again, all of this so that you can use your data, so that you can visualize it the way you want to do it. Most of our products are designed and built to be customized to our users, but it is also, a lot of our products are also more template based. This one in particular is not that way. This one can be, if you would allow us to set up what we think is right for you to look at, but you can create or help us create for you what it is that you want to see, how you want to look at your data, and what's important for you and your end users. So we're very excited about this product being added to our platform to give you more power to be able to use our products to your benefit and use your data the way you want to use it. If you have any questions, we would love to chat and talk with you, set up another demo for you that might help you. So please feel free to reach out to us. My name is Paul Benny, and again, I'm with ProfitSword. You can reach out to us through our website, or feel free to just give us a ring. My direct line is 717-979-5855. We hope to talk to you soon, and I hope you enjoyed the little presentation. We can definitely dive into more depth for you. Talk to you soon.